to find Chipotle Rewards info without logging in. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the official website of Chipotle, which is chipotle.com. Then click on Rewards at the top. Or you can simply search chipotle.com/order/reward, which will lead you to this page. Here on the right side, click on View Extras. After you click on View Extras, you'll find all these options pop up. In Extras, you'll find extra challenges you can do to earn a point. And if you scroll down, you'll also find how many points you've got and click on View Rewards Exchange. From there, if you have points, you can simply exchange with food. And this is how to find Chipotle Rewards info without logging in. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.